In this video, we will show you how to install Visual Studio IDE on Windows 11 22H2. To download Visual Studio IDE, you can get on visualstudio.microsoft.com, or you can get the offline installer. We put link into pinned comments. And in here, you can just select the version of Visual Studio IDE. I'm choose Community. After you download the file, you can just run the files. And in here, click Continue. And this is package we can install on Visual Studio, and this is the package in Visual Studio 2022, and we can select all or just prefer some development environment. Okay, because we need just and this is all features you can install on Visual Studio 2022. You can select all platform, but because we need just using .NET, let's just take this, and total space required is 7 gigabytes. We can install this, or we can download all then install. Just click install after that. Okay, let's wait until all it's done, and Visual Studio will install the files automatically after all file requirement is downloaded. Here is the example of installation the package after all downloaded file is completed, and you need to wait all of this process until done. Okay, we can pause this video. And after installation complete, it will automatically start the Visual Studio. Wow, it's great. You can see here I can skip to login, and we can using dark blue or light in here. Just using blue. Let's see. And in here we done install the Visual Studio 2022 successfully. We can create project by clicking this button. And that's all. Tutorial how to install Visual Studio 2022 on Windows 11 22H2. Hope this video helpful for you.